suffering from cash flow challenges? Hi, this is Ryan with Synergy, and we're going to overcome those challenges with the Profit First method. What is the Profit First method? It was developed by Michael Michalowicz, and it's a cash management strategy that flips the traditional accounting formula on its head. It prioritizes profit, and this is how you can use it for better cash flow management. Your business, like others, may be seasonal or struggle with inconsistent revenue streams. When income is unpredictable, it can be difficult to plan for expenses and maintain steady cash flow. Well, this is how Profit First helps. We set aside a portion of your revenue for profit, taxes, and your pay, ensuring that these critical areas are covered first. By having multiple accounts, you can also create a reserve fund for low revenue months, helping your business stay afloat during lean periods. Unpredictable expenses, such as equipment breakdowns, urgent repairs, or sudden price increases, can throw a wrench into your cash flow management. How does Profit First help with unpredictable expenses? Well, we encourage businesses to allocate a percentage of revenue towards an operating expense account. By controlling your spending based on what's left after setting aside profit and taxes, you'll naturally build a buffer that can help absorb unforeseen expenses. Additionally, setting up a vault account or a capital expenditure account can provide extra cash reserves for those emergencies. Does your business lack profitability? It's possible for a business to have high revenue, but even higher costs. If you're constantly covering expenses but aren't taking home a profit, your business is financially unstable. You need to pay yourself first. How can we help? By design, Profit First guarantees that profit comes off the top of every revenue dollar. This creates a built-in mechanism for profitability, ensuring that you won't wait until the end of the year to see if you made a profit. Instead, more money in your bank account will make you happy. Wouldn't you agree? Another challenge that we see is paying Uncle Sam or paying taxes. Many businesses, just like you, struggle to save enough money for taxes, often facing large unexpected tax bills that will destroy your cash flow. Well, with Profit First, a percentage of your revenue is automatically allocated to a separate tax account. This ensures that when tax season rolls around, you have the money to pay for it. Imagine that. You can actually make a profit and pay your taxes. Another final challenge that we see is overextending operating expenses. It's easy to let expenses grow unchecked, especially if your business is generating significant revenue. We need more to build up those sales. However, overspending can quickly deplete your cash flow, and it will leave you struggling to cover essential costs like paying yourself or your taxes. With the Profit First method, forces you to live within your means by limiting the funds available for operating expenses. By allocating revenue to other bank accounts like profit, taxes, owner's pay, vault, or whatever it may be, the remaining budget for expenses naturally curbs overspending and encourages lean, efficient operations. How can you implement the Profit First method in your business? First, open up multiple bank accounts. If you do anything, just open up a profit account. There are 3 accounts I'd like you to open. An income account where you receive all your deposits, an operating account which you're probably already using and paying off your vendors and your employees, and a profit account. And what I'd like you to do is receive all your money in the income account and then allocate 1% of that income to your profit account, leaving the rest to operate your business. After you've done and opened up multiple bank accounts, the second step is determine your profit. Start small. 1% goes a long way. And once you've gotten into the habit, and we're building habits, this is a behavioral change system, then we can start increasing those percentages. But right now, just start small. 1% to profit, 99% to operating expenses, and then we increase our bank accounts and we increase our allocations to them. We need to determine a regular cadence in which you can allocate your funds. When do you pay your vendors? When do you pay your payroll? Your allocations should match those disbursements. So if it's every Tuesday, every other Friday, on the 10th of the month, on the 25th of the month, we want to make sure that we allocate those funds accordingly so you have money in those accounts to pay your bills and you allocate that 1% to profit, then you allocate the rest of the funds to those other bank accounts. Once you've mastered the allocation, you've got the schedule down. All we need to do now is monitor and adjust. Increase as you can. If you have to decrease, do that, but maintain the profit account and ensure that you're allocating on a regular basis. The profit first method is more than just a cash management strategy. It's a mindset shift that prioritizes profitability and financial health. By working with Profit First certified firm, you'll benefit from expert guidance tailored to your business's unique needs. We can help you build a stable cash flow, control your expenses, and protect your profitability. What are you waiting for? Do it now.